gonna take?
You have some raisins there? How many boxes do you have?
How many boxes? How many boxes of raisins do you have? Oh my goodness! What's the raisins?
Do you like your raisins? Adam? Hey Adam, do you like raisins? Do you like raisins? Yeah? Oh, are those your raisins? Wow, those are nice raisins. Do you like your raisins?
Thank you.
You want to close the door, Adam?
Close the door. Close the door, please.
Whoa, what's that?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Shall we open it? Shall we open it? Oh boy.